My name is Mohit. I'm from Punjab and living in Pune since 2006. I had this problem of fistula since 2021, beginning of 2021. I was taking some homeopathic medicine for about 2-3 years. It was not, I was not having any pain or something, but that wound was not getting healed. So one of my friend who has been here earlier, I suggested me to consult Dr. Ashwin in Healing Hands. So I consulted Dr. Ashwin, I think the month of August last year. So he suggested that I have to go through surgery. So my surgery was done in the mid of September. Surgery went well, continuous follow-ups, so hospital also followed up with me, so I kept on coming here. In the beginning I came like 2 times a week, then became once in a week, then once in 2 weeks, and so I think last one I came was 24th Jan, and now I came for a gap of 6 weeks. So it has been, the experience has been very well, the care of Healing Hands is very good. Dr. Ashwin, Dr. Kirti, both of them, I've been in touch with both of them. And in the nursing staff also, this Miss Tanuja, she has been handling quite well. So I'm happy that I have reached at a stage where now it is fully healed. Continues.
Congratulations, at last fistula free.
लीजिए आप नाम